Eco-friendly house plans, also known as green or sustainable house plans, are architectural designs that prioritize energy efficiency, environmental sustainability, and the well-being of inhabitants. These plans are designed with the aim of minimizing the environmental impact of the home while maximizing energy efficiency. Here's a description of eco-friendly house plans. Energy efficiency. Eco-friendly house plans focus on reducing energy consumption by incorporating features like high-efficiency insulation, windows, and doors. They may also include energy-efficient HVAC systems and appliances. Passive solar design. Many eco-friendly homes use passive solar design principles to maximize natural heat and light. This can include strategically placed windows, thermal mass, and overhangs to control heat gain and loss. Solar panels. These house plans often incorporate solar panels on the roof to generate clean, renewable energy, reducing reliance on traditional power sources. Efficient insulation. Eco-friendly homes typically feature advanced insulation materials and techniques to reduce heat loss in winter and heat gain in summer. Water efficiency. These plans often include low-flow fixtures, dual-flush toilets, and rainwater harvesting systems to reduce water consumption. Some may also feature graywater systems to reuse water for non-potable purposes. Natural ventilation. Eco-friendly homes emphasize natural ventilation strategies, such as cross-ventilation, to reduce the need for air conditioning in warm weather. Indoor air quality. These plans incorporate materials and finishes that are low in volatile organic compounds, VOCs, to maintain a healthy indoor environment. Ventilation systems with air purification may also be included. Use of sustainable materials. Eco-friendly homes use sustainable and recycled materials, such as reclaimed wood, bamboo flooring, and recycled metal or glass. These materials reduce the environmental impact of construction. Modular and prefabricated construction. Some eco-friendly plans utilize modular or prefabricated construction techniques, which reduce waste, construction time, and energy use. Rainwater management. Features like rain gardens, permeable paving, and green roofs are integrated to manage and filter rainwater, reducing runoff and supporting local ecosystems. Heat recovery systems. Heat recovery ventilation systems capture and reuse heat that would otherwise be lost, improving energy efficiency.